Okay, we lifted the roof up a little bit today. You should be able to tell the difference here. We had to lift it up before we cut it out so that we can get a good measurement on it to make sure we get a roof in there to replace it. But the way I did it is I used this jack right here, and I used this 4x4 right here, and I laid it across the windows, across the doors, and set the jack up and proceeded to jack that roof up. I mean, it's pretty close. It's not, you know, it's not factory on the money, but you see there's a difference now in the way the roof looks. I took the headliner out. You see inside what it looks like with the headliner out. That was easier than I thought too. I thought it was going to be kind of hard. There's all the parts from the interior. But yeah, it's a lot better than it was. It'll look good for when I cut it out of there and set the new one in. You know, it's still all scratched up, dented. That ain't gonna matter. Once I get it all together, it ain't gonna matter at all. Next, I'm gonna get me a shop vac and clean everything out of it. No. I'm gonna have to replace the dash. You see, it took a hit. You know, I mean, it was only a tornado that hit this car. Finding broken things, of course, the mirrors. I have to find a plug for that mirror on that side because the plug got ripped off along with the mirror. Caved in right there where the antenna is, but the radio still works. Yeah, you see the plug got ripped off here. So I'm gonna have to find a new plug for it. But yeah, we're getting there. It's pretty nice today. I imagine I'll work on it a little bit more as the week goes on. Get it all cleaned out. Once I get it cleaned out, we'll take some pictures of it. All right.